Button Idli recipe. Add 1½ measures of tur dal. Wash it thoroughly. Add sufficient water. Pressure cook it for 1 whistle and 10 minutes. It needs to cook soft. Add 1 tablespoon oil. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric. While it is cooling, add 4 tablespoons oil. Add 2 teaspoons mustard seeds. Add 1 teaspoon hing. Add 2 sprigs curry leaves, 4 green chilies and 4 dried red chilies. Add 1 tablespoon grated ginger. Add 2 teaspoons ghee and mix. Mash the cooked dal and add it. I added 2 more measures water. Simmer it for 4 to 5 minutes. Add salt per taste. Add juice of 1 lemon. Add freshly cut coriander. I have used MTR's idli batter. It tastes just like the homemade batter. Mix it well. I have used a mini idli or button idli stand. Add ghee on all the plates. This helps in preventing them from sticking. I added 1 tablespoon in each cup. I got 2 full batches with this batter. Steam it in the pressure cooker for 10 to 15 minutes. Hot, steamed idlis are ready. Take them out gently using a knife or spoon. I serve it this way. Add 6 to 8 idlis. Add the cooked dal in a bigger bowl. Add green coconut chutney. Add little ghee on each idli before serving. Dip the idli in the dal and the chutney and enjoy it. Thank you for watching, and as always, like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. Did you know we have similar videos? Do take a look.